Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to download or install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad, you may face a problem that your update stuck on verifying update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi. Click here on your Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network. Click here and connect it again. After this guys, you may go back and if you're connected with mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. So you may select mobile services and select 4G from here. Then guys, you may scroll it down and you may click here on general and here is the option of date and time. So you may click here on date and time and guys, you may click on set automatically turn this on. After this, you may scroll it down and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset all settings or network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. Now you may click here on settings again and click here on general and click here on software update and you can check guys your update will be start and you can update or install update iOS 18 easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.